In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Google Meet. Sending messages during a Google Meet session can be incredibly helpful, whether you're coordinating with colleagues, sharing links, or simply ensuring everyone's on the same page. So, let's dive right into it and make sure you're all set to use this handy feature effectively. To get started, you'll first want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid icon, which represents Google Apps. This is your gateway to a variety of Google services, including Google Meet. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the Google Apps menu. Once you have the Google Apps menu open, scroll down a bit until you find the Google Meet icon. It's usually a green icon with a video camera symbol on it. Click that, and it will direct you straight to the Google Meet interface. Now that you're in Google Meet, you'll need to set up a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, usually located towards the upper left side of your screen. Click that button to open up options for creating a meeting. If you're just looking to start a meet right away, select the Start an Instant Meeting option. Once the instant meeting begins, you'll be inside a virtual meeting room. Now let me guide you to the messaging function. On the bottom right corner of your screen, there should be an option labeled Chat with Everyone. This is where the chat feature lives in Google Meet. Click this option to open the chat panel. With the chat panel open, you're ready to send your message. Click into the text field labeled Send a Message to Everyone and type in whatever you need to communicate during the meeting. This could be a quick update, a link to a document, or just a simple greeting to the participants. After you've typed out your message, it's time to send it. You'll find a small paper plane icon or a send button right next to the text field. Click on it, and voila, your message is sent to everyone in the meeting. And there you have it. Sending a message in Google Meet is as simple as that. It's a valuable tool for maintaining communication without interrupting the flow of your meeting. Whether you're in a virtual classroom or a business call, now you can make sure your thoughts, updates, and information are shared seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting.